Hi, within this lecture, we're going to see how to run our code with terminal as well. So I'm saving this file, I'm closing it down because we are done with it. So let me create a new folder actually in my desktop and name it Python projects, for instance, and just store the Python projects in this folder. Okay, so this way I'll be more structured and ordered. So let me open my search bar by clicking Command and space in my keyboard and search for terminal. So this is no different than Kali Linux terminal, okay? And let me zoom in a little bit so we can see it better. And this is no different than Kali Linux, as I was saying, because they are both based on Unix. So most of the commands are the same. So this is actually more familiar to you rather than Windows command prompt. So I'm in my current working directory in my user right now, and I want to see the contents of my folder. So what do I call? Of course, ls. So this will list me all the available folders and files in my current working directory. So now I'm in my user, and what I want to do, I want to go to the desktop, right? Because that is where my file is saved. So if I type pwd, it will show me the current working directory. I'm in users Atil Sam. Now I will go to desktop. So what do I do to go to the desktop? If you said cd desktop, then you guessed it right. All you have to do is just cd desk, and if you hit tab, it will autocomplete for you. You will go to your desktop. Now if I call pwd, I'm in my desktop right now, and if I call ls, I will see the Python projects folder in here. Of course, I can go to Python projects with cd python projects command. Now I'm inside Python projects. If I call ls, I will see this example.py file that we have created before. Now in order to run this example.py file, let me first clear the screen. So let me write clear and hit enter. And before we move on and run this Python command, let me show you how to go to the previous directory. And this is the same with Linux as well. All you have to do is just cd space ... and it will take you to the previous directory that you were in. So we are in desktop right now. If I call cd python projects, I will go back. So now you know how to work with terminal, Mac OS terminal, okay? So if I call Python example.py right now, it will just run my code, and as you can see, we see the output here. So this is a real simulation of how my software works, how my software behaves. Okay, so we're going to use this Python code, Python terminal a lot in Kali Linux as well. So let's stop here, and within the next lecture we're going to see how to work with functions.